Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Ashimary hair. They sent over this beautiful 24-inch Yaki body wave, black and brown ombre 360 lace wig. She's complete with an invisible strap and 250% density. And you guys can see that I am wearing this girl. Today we're going to do the full install straight out of the box. And I'm even going to add in a updo with the cute little bun to show off the 360 design. So if you want to see how we got this look, or both looks rather, let's get started. Ashimary hair sent me this gorgeous, look at this. It's like a Yaki straight. Look at that. Imagine if my hair was really this long. So anyways, they sent me this beautiful Yaki straight wig. As you guys can see, they put some loose curls in it. Pretty sure this is gonna come out to be a very like loose body texture, but I love the gesture. This here is, I believe, let me see. This is a 360 lace wig with an invisible strap. Look at that attention to detail as it has like a dark root at the top, and then it goes down to this beautiful chocolate brown. Let's remove the tag. So as you guys can see, not only is this a 360 lace wig, it has that pre-everything technology where there is pre-bleached knots, pre-cut lace, and the pre-plugged hairline with that nice scalloped cut. And when you go around, it is the same way all the way around. While we are here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. And I love the fact that the lace in the front is free part, which means you can part it literally wherever you want and there are no restrictions. Also, I did mention that this is an invisible strap 360 lace wig, so you guys can see not only do you have the lace in the front, when you go around you still have lace in the back. Now obviously it's not as much lace in the back as it is in front. When you think about it realistically, you don't need, 6 inches or 4 inches of parting space in the back. You just need just a little bit to be able to catch a vibe. They did include the adjustable elastic band, and this is removable. Also, speaking of removable, they did include some combs, and all of the combs are removable. So as you can see, you can easily slide this in, which makes for a comfortable fit. And also sometimes when you're doing like an updo, it kind of makes it a little bit more flawless in the back. You do have 2 more combs, one on each side, and these are also removable should you wish to remove them. So you just easily slide it down and they come right off, and then there's one on this side. Also, as I mentioned, this is an invisible strap, and as you guys can see, you can see the strap on this side as well as on this side, and it's nicely threaded through. With this, you do see there is a stopper on the end, so you literally pull. Let me try to see if I can show you guys. You can literally, come on, don't embarrass me in front of my friends. So this is what it looks like, and don't mind this is where that comb goes. I took it out, but if you tug, it gets tighter and tighter and tighter. Literally, you can get it as tight as you want, and then you utilize this stopper and just push it up. You push the stopper down, and this is what's going to keep it in place once you find your desired like adjustments. So you guys can see I went ahead and adjusted it, and when I push it inside, you can see how like it kind of gathers a little bit. You can definitely go even more than this, and then those straps are in the inside of the wig, so you won't have to worry about them showing at all. So this one also included tons of goodies, which I'm super excited about. And when I say tons, there are not 1 but 2 goodie bags in here, and then there's 2 additional packaging. So this is going to be fun to unbox in a moment, but first let's go ahead and install this gorgeous girl. So far, this one is absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like if you really feel like you didn't get it tight enough, you can kind of pull that strap out and like push the stopper up until you get the desired like tightness, if you will. And then you can just tuck that back in, and because it has a snug fit, it won't like fall out. Before we install this beautiful girl, let me show you guys the cap for the parting. This is what she looks like set as a center part. And then of course you can switch it up and do a side part. I'm actually feeling the way the side part looks, but I honestly don't even want to commit to a parting now, because what if we do just no parting at all? I think that will look good too. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and just bond it down and tint the lace, and then we will decide and commit to what kind of cap construction or parting we are or are not gonna do. love bugs. I went ahead and did a quick wand curl. The first one I accidentally curled forward, so I'm gonna let them set, and then I didn't add any additional hairspray, and however they fall, they just fall. Also, you guys seen I did a quick install with full baby hair, like full baby hair. So the main thing left to do is to go ahead and tint the lace. And I did a side part. I was gonna do a no parting, but I figured I would just go ahead and stamp out the parting. This is shade 15 of the foundation palette Ruby Kisses. I'm gonna go ahead and pack a bunch of this in and see if we want to go deeper. I'm almost certain we will. Yes, deeper. This is 16, and I kind of will pack it, especially like you see how light it is right here. We want to make it mimic skin as best we can. We know it's not skin, it's lace. We know in person it's gonna look like lace, but we do our best to make it look good. And lately I've been getting into using a little bit deeper of a shade in the parting. Not sure how I feel about it. Not sure if I'm sold. You guys know I typically would go a shade or two lighter, but we've been rocking with it lately, so we'll see how this ages, meaning if I go back lighter. And this is the same or corresponding powder in the shade 15. Told you guys I misplaced my 16. This looks amazing. I feel like it's been a minute since I've done like super full baby hair like this. And then you can go ahead and pull these curls apart, and you can do it however you want. I'm gonna take this wet brush. And look at that, the curls actually stay. The only thing is I think that I should have did this piece away from the face. So let me see if it's too late. And I'm gonna leave it on super long and hoping to repair that. Yes, that made a huge, huge difference. This actually looks so bomb. I should have saved this for the weekend. You guys know that fresh first install. I'm still gonna save it for the weekend. I'm gonna take it off, prep it on a mannequin head, and this is gonna be my weekend hair because we got some events to go to. This here is so fire. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me bask in the moment and take some pictures. I definitely think this one is a banger. I love the way it came out and the way that the curls, the hairline, I can't even decide what my favorite part is, but for sure I am in love with her. But I almost forgot that this is actually a 360 lace wig, so we're gonna pull her up in like a high bun and just see what it's given. Now this is my type of messy bun. Absolutely love the way it looks. And there's some little micro baby hairs in the back just to kind of help camouflage the nape. We basically did a ponytail and just pulled it halfway through on the second loop. And I think it came out cute, especially with some little bangs. This definitely gives sweats, hoodies, Uggs, a winter vibe. And you can even accessorize it with your favorite accessories. Now that we are finished with this look, I wanted to quickly share with you guys the packaging. Ashimary Hair provided this little shopping bag, and your actual wig fits in the bag like a glove. So how cute is that, especially as a gift, even if you're gifting this to yourself. Okay, so this is the box, and I definitely love that gold logo. And when you open it up, we are greeted with tons of goodies. So let's get right into it. So we have two cute little bags, and the first bag, in no particular order, this one has some Ashimary Hair HD wig caps, and you can only find these on Ashimary Hair. How cool is that? There's also an info card here which is full of instructions, and then they gave us this lash book, which I love this because you get 3 different sets. Next we got a baby hair brush in the color purple. We also got a double pack of bobby pins, and then last but not least in this bag we got these little puffs, and they have the little ribbon on the side. You slide your finger through and you're able to like touch up your makeup and powder your nose. Super cute. If I did not mention, even the bag has attention to detail as it has their logo on it. In the next bag, this one is like a festive bag, which I'm super excited about. Hair instructions again. This cute little spider clip. It'll be cute like put on a top or even in your hair. And then they also gave us these clips here, and these are cute little ghosts. And there's 2 clips, not 1 but 2. Super cute. We also got some wig tape, and there is a nice thick stack of it in here. And you can use this to bond your wig down. Super nice. You can even use this in the back if you are comfortable with that. Here is a little baggie of hair bows. And so we have pink and we have red. So red will be perfect for the holidays. Pink is just always a good idea. You can even save these for Valentine's Day. It's a perfect combo. Then we got this really nice scrunchie. You guys already know cheetah print is like the thing of the season. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my wrist now because I know my girls are gonna try to steal this from me, but I definitely love it. And then last but most certainly not least in this package, you do have a care kit or a repair kit for your invisible strap. So this one has the invisible strap in the back. Should at any point yours break or get damaged, you have a full kit to be able to thread a fresh one in there, which is super nice. You got your Ashimary hair robe, and then here you have your Ashimary hair bonnet. Super nice. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Of course, I have the details and a direct link to this wig down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.